What is up, guys? Your boy Lancer Evo slash Honda Civic here, recording a video of CSR2. I wanted to apologize for not uploading videos for the past 3 days. I've been grinding the hell out of Gran Turismo Sport to get mileage points and money to put new cars. Right now I'm trying to tune all the front wheel drive cars. I have a lot of cars, so I'm not really worried about the money. Focusing on the mileage points. So that's why I haven't really recorded a lot of videos like Forza or anything like that, because I've just been grinding the heck out of Gran Turismo. I had my PS3 on for like the past 3 days already. So I have a couple buddies of mine we're doing 200 laps on this small circle, which is about 30 minutes of racing. But we get, a good amount of mileage points right now. So we're doing that. Right now we're doing 200 laps of it right now too, but while I record this video, we'll let those cars run. But yeah, I just wanted to apologize for not uploading videos for the past 2 days. I haven't playing anything else but Gran Turismo. I want to post up more of the Honda drags, different Hondas, and then have eventually a lobby of just straight front wheel drive, no matter what it is, and then start doing rear-wheel drive cars. You'll start seeing Lamborghinis, Camaros, Ferraris, cars like that. Then we'll do the all-wheel drive like the Lamborghinis, the GTRs, the Skylines, R34, 32s, and stuff like that. I also saw the trailer for Gran Turismo 7. That trailer still has me blown. So that's why I'm spending all my time learning how to tune on Gran Turismo Sport, because I used to be a fanatic on GT5, GT6. If you're an OG subscriber and you used to watch my videos before I deleted them, yeah. GT5, GT6 was easy. GT Sport, though, it's a little difficult, but we're getting the hang of it. Most of us, my friends that I'm with, they're learning. We're all learning. Right now, we're just, like I said, grinding the heck to get a lot of mileage points up to upgrade the cars and make them look nice and drag race and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to bore you guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update of why I've been not uploading for the past 3 days. This video will be uploaded. See, it's currently 11:35, so this will be uploaded when you guys see this. It would be the next day. I will be still at the same night. It'll be the same night of this same exact day, but it'll just be the next day. It'll be probably like, when you guys see this, it'll probably be like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, or probably like 12:30 in the morning or something. Always need a little warm up. Always need a warm up. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna make this video short. Just enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. But yeah, I hope you guys understand that I didn't record because I was planning to do something good for something different for Gran Turismo. Also, track racing will be coming back soon too. I'm trying to do online lobby track racing. Ooh, that's nice. Why not get this free money? Yeah, so I can get track racing. I want to start doing track racing online with, whoever wants to join in. Add me up, and we can, do some track racing. I seen they also added track racing thing on Gran Turismo Sport, like they did back on GT5 or GT6, I think it was GT6. But yeah, I'm not really worried about that. I want to jump in on the real fun where GT Sport and GT7. Sorry, guys, it's a long day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I apologize again for not uploading for the past 3 days. I'll be uploading. The next video will be a Forza video. While I have and then after that will be the Gran Turismo video after the Forza video. Don't know which Forza. Probably Horizon 4, 2, Forza 6, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. And then after that will be the Gran Turismo. I have a couple more Evos. Well, I'm not gonna put it as Evos. It's gonna be like basically an all-wheel drive. See what you guys think. It's a couple good runs I have recorded. Let me guys know what you think though. But enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. You're just gonna say you're just gonna see straight runs. I'm not gonna bore you anymore. That's it. But let's get it. Oh, ooh, that picture sounds nice. I'm telling you. Do some exactly. Good look in the world. Now you don't do it anymore? But. I think I left. for the video. Peace out.